You may not be getting the full nutrients from avocado if you are making these mistakes. Avocados are one of the healthiest foods out there, but are you eating them the right way? In this video, we'll uncover 8 common mistakes people make when eating avocado and how to avoid them. Stay tuned because mistake number 8 might just surprise you. Now, let's dive in. Mistake 1. Throwing away the most nutrient-rich part. One of the most common mistakes is tossing out the dark green layer just beneath the avocado skin. This part of the fruit is loaded with nutrients like lutein, which is great for eye health, and vitamins like E and C. Unfortunately, many people scoop out the middle and leave this nutrient-packed layer behind. To avoid this, use a spoon and scrape as close to the skin as possible when preparing your avocado. By doing this, you'll ensure you're getting the maximum benefit from every slice. Mistake 2. Not pairing avocado with complementary foods. Avocados are rich in fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin E, which means they're absorbed better when paired with the right foods. For example, adding avocado to a salad with leafy greens and a squeeze of lemon enhances the absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K. Don't eat your avocado in isolation. Pair it with foods high in vitamin C, like tomatoes, bell peppers, or citrus fruits, to supercharge its benefits. The right combinations can make a big difference in how your body processes the nutrients. Mistake 3. Storing avocados incorrectly. Storing avocados the wrong way is a surefire way to waste this precious fruit. Leaving a ripe avocado at room temperature will cause it to over-ripen quickly, while a cut avocado left uncovered will turn brown due to oxidation. To store an uncut ripe avocado, keep it in the fridge to slow the ripening process. For cut avocados, leave the pit in, wrap them tightly in plastic wrap, or store them in an airtight container with a squeeze of lemon juice to keep them fresh and green. Mistake 4. Eating underripe or overripe avocados. Eating avocados that aren't at their peak ripeness can be disappointing. Underripe avocados are hard and lack flavor, while overripe ones can taste bitter and might not be safe to eat due to spoilage. To pick the perfect avocado, gently press near the top. It should give slightly, but not feel mushy. If it's too firm, let it ripen at room temperature for a day or 2 before using. Mistake 5. Buying avocados in bulk. Buying avocados in bulk might seem like a money-saving idea, but it often leads to waste. Avocados ripen quickly, and unless you're consuming them daily, many will go bad before you get a chance to enjoy them. Instead, buy a few at different stages of ripeness. Choose 1 or 2 that are ready to eat and a couple that are still firm. This way, you can enjoy perfectly ripe avocados throughout the week without going to waste. Mistake 6. Using the wrong cutting technique. Improperly cutting an avocado can be messy or even dangerous. Many people attempt to remove the pit by stabbing it with a knife, which can lead to accidents or damaged fruit. Instead, cut the avocado in half lengthwise, twist to separate, and use a spoon to scoop out the pit. This safer method protects both your fingers and your avocado's perfect presentation. Mistake 7. Only using avocado in traditional ways. Most people limit their avocado use to guacamole or toast, missing out on other creative ways to enjoy this versatile fruit. Avocados are great in smoothies, as a substitute for butter in baking, or even as a creamy base for soups and sauces. Explore new ways to incorporate avocado into your meals. Try blending it into a smoothie with spinach and banana, or using it as a spread for sandwiches instead of mayo. But there's another common issue: eating too many avocados. While they're packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and fiber, eating too much avocado may cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating or diarrhea, due to its high fiber content. To avoid this, stick to a serving size of about 1/3 to 1/2 of an avocado per meal, depending on your dietary needs. Moderation ensures you can enjoy its health benefits without upsetting your stomach. Balance is key when it comes to this superfood. Mistake 8. Not washing the avocado before cutting. You might think there's no need to wash an avocado since you don't eat the skin, but skipping this step can transfer bacteria and dirt from the outer peel onto the flesh when you cut into it. Always rinse your avocado under running water before cutting it open. This simple habit ensures your avocado is clean and safe to eat. Avocados are amazing, but avoiding these common mistakes can make them even better. Which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness hacks that make healthy living simple. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.